Hi nail friends and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be doing a dip powder nail design using Revel nail dip powders. So let's get right into the video. I've already applied my tips and buffed my nails, and now I'm applying my cheraelsymone bond to dehydrate the nails. If you don't have any bond, you can use rubbing alcohol or acetone, they both do the same thing. Now I'm applying my clear dip powder to my nails. So I apply base to 3/4 of the nail and then I dip it into clear dip powder. Then I apply base to the whole nail and then dip it into the clear dip powder. This is done to build the nails and also to protect my natural nails from the color. This is also an optional step, but I like doing it. Now, starting on the middle finger, I'm using my ensemble dip powder. I did 3 layers of that on camera and I built up the nail with the dip powder off camera. So I apply a thin layer of base and then I poured the nude dip powder on my nail. I also did the same for my ring finger. Now I'm going to be doing a color block with the glitter and the nude dip powder. I actually did this design before with an X-Acto knife. I'll link to that video in the cards. You can use the X-Acto knife if you like living on the edge, but today I'm using tape. I also have a video on that as well. I'll link to that video in the cards. That one is more in depth, so check that video out. So I placed the tape on the nail off camera and I'm just building the nail with the nude dip powder. I did about 3 layers of that. Then I placed activator on the nail and waited for it to harden. Then I removed the tape and filed the edges of the nail to get a neater finish. Now I'm using something pointy. I just placed base on it and then placed it on the tip area of the nail and dipped it into the glitter dip powder. Eventually I started to use the base brush, but in order to get into those smaller spaces, it's best to use something with a point. Now on the pinky nail, I placed the tape off camera and I basically did the same thing. Pointy nails are really dangerous for me because I'm very clumsy. So that's the reason I would only do one nail with a point. Anyway, so I'll let you guys watch what I'm doing and I'll be back shortly. Now I encapsulated the index and pinky nail. So firstly, I encapsulated the glitter area. I do that because if I placed base on the whole nail, glitter is bound to end up on the nail bed area. So by placing it on the glitter area first, it stops that from happening, and then I encapsulated the whole nail with a few layers of clear dip powder. I don't believe I showed myself encapsulating the whole nail. Then I applied activator, waited for the nails to harden, then began filing. This is after filing of the nails, and if you'd like to see my filing routine, I'll link to that video in the cards. Now using my Mother One's gel glue, I just placed a dot on the nail with my dotting tool and placed the rhinestones on the index and pinky finger and cured for 30 seconds. Then I applied my Mother One's matte top coat to all of my nails and cured for 30 seconds. Now, using my shiny top coat and a detail brush, I just drew some flames on the middle and ring finger. Then I poured the glitter on the nail and cured for 30 seconds. Then I touched up any area that needed touching up and cured for 30 seconds. Then I top coated the flame nails and cured for 30 seconds. I didn't like how the glitter looked on the index and pinky nail. The matte top coat didn't do it any justice, so I decided to make that area shiny. When the nails cool down, I apply some cuticle oil to rehydrate my skin and nails, and this is the finished look. I really liked how this design came out, so let me know what you guys think, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys!